Hey there. So I just came out of the water and I've been very comfortable surfing lately. I felt very comfortable in bigger waves, in waves around 2.5 meters. And somehow I noticed that my body was super calm. Calma, as they say in Portuguese. Super calm, super relaxed. And today I felt like trying something new. I felt like pushing the boundaries a little bit and seeing how far I can take it. So I went to Canal, a little beach here. And it's a beach where I usually don't go. It's a little bit harder to get in, a little bit more rocky, and it's unpredictable. It can be pretty big, pretty messy. Today looked like that, but it looked doable, so I thought, why not? Let's trust myself and go in. So yeah, I went in, and at the beginning it was okay. I felt quite comfortable. I made a huge drop on the right. Didn't make it, but I was like, okay, it's not too bad. And then somehow the big set started rolling in, and it started being heavy and unpredictable and all the stuff I don't like. So I felt my heart rate going up and up and up and up, and somehow my breathing was just kind of in my throat. I guess I was having a tiny little panic attack, and that's never happened to me in the water. I've had students that have had it, but it's never happened to me personally. So this is super cool because that means that we can talk about it for Surf Spirit. And this video is about what to do when having a panic attack in the water. So the most important thing is with panic, your mind tends to take control. Your mind tends to go places where it's not really helpful. In my case, it went to the rocks, it went to the shallow water, it went to the other surfers, it went to how to get back out of the beach. It went to all these places where it was basically attending to danger, attending to more panic. So what I did was really grabbing my attention back to my body. When the mind takes control, we're not in the body anymore. And then the body just starts responding automatic, with an automatic fear response, and you don't have any connection anymore with the body. And that's when it can get dangerous. So the first step is really to get connection with your body again. And in whatever way that works for you. You can sing a song, you can tap your body, you can focus on your breathing, trying to breathe through your belly. Because normally with panic and with fear, our breath tends to be a little bit more up, more in the heart, more in the neck, more in the throat area. So try to bring that attention back to your body. Play around with it and see what works for you. How can you make sure you bring your attention back? Once you feel like you have again a connection with your body and you can talk to it and you can speak to it, look around and find all the nice things. In my case, I found the beautiful nature because the spot is pristine, it's so quiet. I saw the cliffs, the wind, the birds, and then I looked at a surfer, a girl next to me, and she looked so calm, so relaxed. And her face somehow calmed me down a little bit more. So find things around you that can bring you back to peace, that can bring you out of the panic mode. And trust me, they're always there. It's just a matter of perspective. The panic has allowed your perspective to twist and to shift to places that are not really helpful. So bring it back to places that are helpful. And then what I like to do is do affirmations like I think I did. I trust myself. I know how to get out. I can feel comfortable again in the water. I trust myself. I know how to get out. I can feel comfortable again in the water. So any affirmations, any positive statements that can help you to switch your regulation, to switch your nervous system. And then the last thing is to ask what you need. What is it that you need? Do you need to catch a wave to see whether it's doable? Or do you just need to go out, in my case, and rest? And relax and bring the nervous system completely down outside of the water again. So ask yourself what you need. tune in with yourself as if you're talking to a best friend, and give yourself the care that you need. And then afterwards, it's very important to be with yourself for a moment, to give yourself a little bit of space, to give yourself a little bit of time, and to be super proud of yourself for pushing your limits. Because when you wouldn't have pushed your limits, you would not grow. You would just stay where you are. Now, next time, maybe I'm going to be a little bit more comfortable in the water. Maybe not. But at least I know that when I come in a fearful situation like this, in a panicky situation, that I can get out, that I can regulate myself, and that I can be alright. So this is already a big victory, independent of the waves that I caught today, which are like maybe 1.5 or pretty much none in my mind. And it doesn't matter, because I gained something more important, a victory over myself. I hope with this video that you have some tools to regulate a panic attack in the water. Maybe it's already happened, or maybe you will get in the situation and you will remember my words, these words, and they're going to help you at that moment. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more surf psychology, surf spirit videos, and definitely check out our website, because there's a lot of cool treats regarding surf and spirituality coming up. Teja, or bye-bye as we say in Portuguese. Ciao, ciao.